Hello viewers, it's November 8th. Not sure whether this is part 37 or 38. I'll correct it later, but this is part one of whatever, this is segment one of whatever the next part number is. Maybe 38. Anyway, continuing to make progress here. Lou has been busy. If you look down here, you can see that he's busy filling in, correcting the bodywork on the bottom seam to close the door. And if you look over here, this looks like stainless steel, is it?
No, it's just plain
Mild steel.
mild steel.
Channel.
Yeah, that was.
For the window. Where's the trim stuff?
The hoop?
The trim that goes in there.
Oh, the set. It's right in the box in there.
Oh. Anyway, the electric window kit has come in, which is kind of the typical type where this is going to clamp on the bottom of the window, and then it bolts to this part, and then of course the motor runs this up and down. So that's in. Also, looking for a glass guy, we actually lucked out and found a guy who's mobile, and he came out here. And he's kind of an older guy, Lou?
Yeah. He's done a lot of hot rods.
So he's done old hot rods before, which is good. So he came out, and Lou gave him the pattern for the door. The guy went off. He's going to bring back two glasses for the two doors, left and right side. And then when that comes in, I guess you're going to continue to work on this thing, on the
I'm gonna try and get all this done on one door.
Yeah,
And
trying
then
to
jump on the other side.
finish one door, and then the channel, the felt material. Lou has got a roll of that somewhere that fits into this. Do you have to put a channel piece up here too? No. Oh, this takes a felt strip.
Yeah, the felt goes all the way around the.
Yeah, so that feeds into the felt strip. So that's going pretty good. Let's see, what else?
Yeah, the windshield.
Oh, the windshield. Yeah.
This guy that came over, he was saying, okay, he says there's two different ways of doing it. You could fight it using the rubber,
What you have?
which I have, and then this is the actual size of the windshield has got to be cut to go in there. But he's saying, he says make this baby oversized, completely oversized, and then laminate the window. Well, in new cars, they actually glue the window to the body.
Ah, okay.
And that's what he's saying to do. What he'll do, he'll make the glass bigger, and he'll do all that. But he'll also put a black rim all the way around.
Oh,
So you don't see the glue.
you don't see the glue underneath.
Yeah.
Well, that sounds cool.
So
Well, that means also we don't have to
you
mess.
don't have to fight.
We don't have to mess with this
Yeah, they've
to
been
make.
trying to mess this because this is too damn thick for the rubber to fit in.
Yeah, so that cures the fit of the rubber, and maybe the opening isn't exact. Like here,
Yeah, who knows,
here it's
you
wider,
know.
here it's not.
Yeah,
So that's good. That's a good solution then.
yeah, that's
That-
an idea.
that'll
So
work.
we'll see when the.
And would we do the same for the other windows, maybe?
Well, I don't know about the back. Maybe the back, but the side windows actually already go. They go on the inside. There's no rubber. It doesn't go in the channel. It butts up against the body.
Oh,
Yeah. That's weird that how they made the side windows.
yeah. Well,
Yeah.
look how this is thick.
Yeah,
This is
I mean, that's-
wide here. This is
I
skinny
know, it's,
here.
And here's a piece right there. See how thin the gap is?
Yeah,
I'm
and
just
the
trying to get that. I don't know.
The same problem we've had is
Yeah.
that this is.
Yeah, once you get a piece of glass.
Yeah, I'll have to take that out.
Yeah.
Little
So I don't
souvenir.
know. It'll probably be.
But I mean, why wouldn't the same process work
Yeah,
back
the
here?
same process would work in here.
And for that matter, maybe that would help here too, right?
Well, the glass doesn't go from the outside. The glass comes in.
But why not make it?
Oh, it could.
I mean, so,
Yeah, it could. Yeah.
we could do the same trick.
Yeah, good.
Cut this away,
Just enough for the.
3/8 to whatever, half an inch opening. Have them cut the glass to fit. Do the black trick on the glass and do the
Just
adhesive.
yeah, that's a good idea.
And then we're through with that shit.
Yeah.
That solves the thing. So, all right. So happy to announce we're making progress. Lou, a reminder. Sunday, I guess, is the 10th,
Yeah.
and that's the Sergeant Viola car show up at the Keller Town Center. Great show. Anybody that's a viewer that happens to be close enough to come, it's well worth the visit. They do some
they'll
great
have
cars.
Quite a few cars. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
and a wide range of cars, good-looking cars. For years, before Lou sold off his tea bucket, he'd bring his tea and I'd bring my coupe, and we'd go in and actually stick our cars in the inside and take a nice lawn chair and find a tree and spend the day there. Other good thing is it's also a fundraiser for I can't remember what exactly, but some kids that have problems like diseases and stuff. They take care of them with the profit and so on. And since it's in tribute to Sergeant Viola, who lost his life in Afghanistan, was a Keller boy, there's a lot of military involved with it, which I particularly enjoy, being a veteran. And we went there one year, right? And God, they had helicopters and planes flying over.
They had everything there.
Yeah, that was really something. All right, so I think through on this segment of part whatever again. Sorry for the lapse in memory. I could blame it on my eye exam, but it went okay today. That's nothing to do with the memory. All right, so sayonara all. Take care out there. We'll catch you later with the correct part number and segment.